come play with me. Learning time is fun, you see. Clap your hands and stomp your feet. Play and learn, it feels so sweet. Play, play, play with me. Come and learn together. Run and jump and laugh and smile. Learning lasts forever. Jump, jump, jump up high. Touch the sky with me. Clap your hands, 1, 2, 3. Happy as can be. Play and learn, learn and play. Fun the whole day. Move your body, use your mind. Learning time is kind. Read a book, turn the page. Look at pictures bright. Animals, shapes and funny things. Learning feels just right. Read and read, page by page. Words and pictures too. Point and look and say the sounds. Learning starts with you. Play and learn, learn and play. Fun in every way. Read a book and smile so big. Hip, hip, hooray. Hey, hey! Draw, draw, draw with me. Take your crayons bright. Red and yellow, blue and green. Colors look so nice. Draw a circle, draw a line. Draw a little star. Learning shapes is fun to do no matter where you are. Red is red and blue is blue. Yellow shines so bright. Green is grass and orange too. Colors bring delight. Play and learn, learn and play. Colors every day. Draw and paint and laugh and sing. Learning's such a thing. Count with me, 1, 2, 3. Let's count up some more. 4 and 5 and 6 and 7. Learning we adore. Numbers big and numbers small. Let's count them all. Count your fingers, count your toes. Counting as we go. 1, 2, 3. Clap your hands. 4, 5. Stomp the ground. 6 and 7, 8 and 9. Listen to the sound. Play and learn, learn and play. Counting every day. Numbers help us learn and grow. Hip, hip, hooray. Let's go! Move your body, dance around. Spin and jump with glee. Run and stop and freeze right now. Move along with me. Jump, jump, freeze right there. Hands up in the air. Spin around and touch your head. Learning everywhere. Move and have some fun. Dancing all around. Learning happens when we move. Listen to the sound. Play and learn, learn and play. Move in every way. Jump and dance and laugh and sing.